Hello loves, I am back with another video. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. I know it's been a while, I've been doing these plant videos, but today I wanted to do a makeup tutorial for all of my supporters who love makeup and who follow my channel because of makeup. So today's look is like a smoky, sexy eye. I like it as a bridal look, or like a dinner look, or like a cocktail party look. So it's kind of like a smoky eye with a nice nude sparkly lip. So if you guys are interested in this look, keep on watching. Hey loves, all right, so let's get into it. I am applying the Select Cover Up by MAC Cosmetics concealer as my eyeshadow base. No, it doesn't crease. It's a great eyeshadow base. I think they discontinued this color, this concealer, but you can actually use a Pro Longwear concealer or any eyeshadow base. Next, this is the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I'm taking that milky silvery color that you see there. It's the only milky silvery color there. And just patting that on my eyelid. As you can see, the technique that I'm using is just patting the eyeshadow on. I'm not rubbing or dusting. Assistant is patting it on, honey, okay? All right. Next, I'm taking that crease blush and just kind of blending out the eyeshadow. This color right here is by MAC Cosmetics. It's called Cork Eyeshadow. I'm going to apply that right directly to my crease. It will serve as a transitional color and to help to add a little bit more dimension to my eyes. This next color is Foley Eyeshadow by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm applying that right on top to give my eye more depth and dimension. So basically what I'm doing here is I started off with the lighter color, a medium color, and then a darker color. Okay, this helps to just kind of create more of a defined crease. That color that you just saw there, that was Embark. So far I used Cork, Foley, and Embark eyeshadow by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm just blending. So as you can see, the technique here is windshield wiper technique, going left, right, left, right, left, right. And also notice that I'm holding my brush from afar. That helps to distribute the color a little bit more evenly and not use it, not apply it too harshly. It won't apply the color too harshly. Next, I took a blending brush and just blended it all out. More of a bigger crease color brush, a blending brush. I took some more of that eyeshadow, the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow, and just pat it right on top. Just to kind of make sure the color stays that color. Since I was using darker colors, I didn't want, the darker color powder to fall on top and mess up, my eyeshadow, honey. Okay, all right. So just going back and doing a little bit of blending. Your key here is you want to blend, 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 and take your time doing this. It takes a little bit of practice. Taking a little bit of NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer and going back and adding some concealer to my brow bone to make it more defined. And look how easy that was. Next, I just took my eyeliner and my mascara and applied my lashes and applied all of that online, guys. I'm sure you guys know how to do that. Next, I'm taking my foundation. This is NC44 Studio Fix. Honey, a sister like to look a little bit darker. Usually, I'm like an NC42, boo-boo. But I like to be a little bit warmer, honey. And you know what? Did you see that? You better snatch that neck, honey. You don't want no foundation line, honey, out in public, honey, because you get embarrassed, okay? One of my makeup friends was like, honey, right here, you need to blend that neck out a little bit more, okay? So just blend out the makeup, you know what I mean? This is NC44 Studio Fix Fluid. I wanted to do a more dramatic look. I wanted more heavier makeup, okay? So that's why I'm applying more here, as you can see. And I'm applying this with the Beauty Blender. The Beauty Blender is a great technique to use. This is actually the Real Technique sponge. It's just great. It buffs the makeup out, gives you a nice finished airbrush look. Love it, love it, love it. Yes, queen. Get it, queen. Shoot, if you don't hype yourself up, who else gonna hype you? Get it, queen. So I'm just making sure that makeup is blended and slayed. Look how I did that, honey. You got to get that neck, honey. Snatch it. So you see how that color just really, that NC44 really just kind of warmed me up. Okay, next, this is LA Girl Corrector in yellow. I'm just applying that on before I apply my concealer. And what this does is serves the purpose as brightening under my eye, brightening wherever I want to brighten it up, okay? And help take some of the darkness away under your eyes. Going back with that blending brush and just blending it out. By the way, guys, that's a great brush to use for concealer under the eyes. Next, as you saw, I'm taking my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer and applying it right on top and just blending it out. Going down my nose and a little bit on my forehead, and as you'll see, I'll go on my Cupid's bow and on my chin. So I'm just highlighting right now. This is what you call highlighting. These are the areas on your face that you want to really focus highlighting on. It really makes such a difference, honey. Look at that, honey. So now I'm just blending it out. No harsh lines over here, honey. So next I'm taking Studio Fix powder and C4 and just dusting it lightly on my face. This is a powder and a foundation and pressed powder in one. Remember I said I wanted a little bit more coverage. I want a nice matte look, so that's what I used. Then here, that was my favorite bronzer by CoverGirl Queen Collection, honey, queen! And I'm just going to go ahead and contour. Contour is everywhere now, so I'm sure you guys all know what contouring is. Contouring helps to minimize. Highlight helps to make the appearance. Highlight makes things look a little bit more defined, more bigger, more brighter. And contour helps to minimize. So if you feel like in your life, honey, you have a big nose, you want to contour that nose, use that contour. Okay? Next here, I'm taking that blush. This is by NARS and Orgasm, and just using this right here on the apples of my cheek. As you can see, it's such a beautiful blush. It's like a pinky, goldy color blush. Okay, so I highlighted, contour, and added some blush. So that was my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and now I'm going to add some more highlighting here, like more shimmer to have my highlight more defined. As you can see here. Yes! And if you guys have any questions, I'll leave my email in the description box. Next, I'm taking Cork Lip Liner by MAC Cosmetics and applying that lightly. I don't really like lip liner, only a little bit. It just helps to define my lips a little bit. And then I'm taking the K.O.R Cosmetics lipstick in Invisible. And then I'm going to apply the glitter called Invisible, as you see. It comes as a package at the K.O.R brand. It's called Invisible. I love it because it's a new lip. I felt that I have more of a smokier eye, more of a defined eye, so I'm going to do more of a nude lip. But it's a catch to it. As you can see, you'll see I'm applying some glitter and some sparkle onto my lip. And I just love that. I love that K.O.R Invisible glitz lip or something like that. It's beautiful, honey. I definitely got to get some more of that stuff. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up, honey. And thank you so much for your support. And stay tuned for more videos. And subscribe and support a sister, honey. Like, comment, share. And thank you so much. I'll see you next time, loves. Bye.